Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's VECHAIN update. And if you guys are interested in the signals as well, we are giving the signal calls on the Discords, and we've recently hit atom signal, and we bought at 30. We cashed out at 32.9, and it seems like there was a successful call. No, things are looking very ugly on the market as well. But one thing I'm gonna say is there's no need to really panic sell at the moment. At the moment, there's no need to panic sell. VECHAIN, even though this strong trend line has been broken, it is what it is, and that's quite negative. But there is a level of support that I gave you guys, and that's going to be this level of support that you do not want to lose. If you lose this one, you're really going to dump really badly to the downside as well. Now, what can I say about this particular scenario? Now, I did talk about Black Swan, and you guys can check the send video that I've made today for 4th of December. You can understand what Black Swan event is, which happened back in for the Corona dump back in the days for Bitcoin as well. Now, at the moment, I'm going to zoom in here, and I'm going to show you something known as a V-shaped recovery. Now, this one happened back in March 2020, and it dropped towards the downside. And from here we still recovered in the next coming few days, and I do think, based on history, just like you see, this was like a huge V-shaped recovery that VECHAIN underwent, and I think something very similar for VECHAIN is going to happen, where you just broke down, have another V-shaped recovery, and continue. I don't think we're bearish at all just because we had that Black Swan event. Look, we are still making higher highs right there, higher low, and this is another higher low, and I still believe that is not bearish at all. We are still on an uptrend, and let's see, unless you're not losing this line. I'm gonna zoom in on this one on the 4-hour time frame as well, just to show you a little bit. Sorry for the background noises, just ignore that one. Let's just hear me out. And if you actually close below it and you fail the back test, then you're gonna go even more down. And remember, guys, you're above it. You're above this line right now. At the moment, you're already above it. If I just flip to the 30 minutes maybe time frame, and you can already see that this was where I gave you that stop loss, and the call that this could be very negative. You see, we went down above it, but it seems like it's picking up towards the upside, and I don't think there's any threat with VECHAIN. So guys who are holding, just hold it. It's a stupid idea right now to sell in a loss. What kind of loss do you even have? When you're gonna sell it, that's when you're gonna decide the loss. As long as you're not selling anything, you're not in a loss. And I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Sorry for the background noises as well. And yeah, thank you. Remember to join the Discord as well, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.